Did you know that kangaroos can't walk backwards? It's one of the many things that make these creatures truly fascinating. Welcome to Kangaroo Confidential. Today we're diving into the unique world of kangaroos, these iconic Australian animals that have captured our imaginations with their unusual features and behaviors. Kangaroos are more than just hopping marsupials. They are complex creatures, equipped with powerful tails, incredible jumping ability, and a unique social structure. Each of these characteristics tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the sheer marvel that is the animal kingdom. There's so much that we don't know about these amazing animals, so many secrets they keep hidden in the golden outback. So, prepare to be astounded, surprised, and maybe even a little bit humbled as we delve into the intriguing world of kangaroos. Now, hop along as we unveil the top 10 mind-blowing facts about kangaroos. Starting our countdown at number 10, did you know that a kangaroo's tail is strong enough to support its body weight? That's right. This powerhouse tail is not just an appendage, but a vital tool for these remarkable creatures. Kangaroos use their tails for balance when hopping at high speeds, acting much like a bicycle's kickstand. But that's not all. When a kangaroo needs to move slowly, it leans back on its tail, lifting its hind legs off the ground entirely, and propels forward in a motion known as pentapedal walking. That's a 5-leg walk if you're keeping count. This muscular tail also serves as a rudder when kangaroos swim. Yes, they can swim. And in a brawl, male kangaroos have been known to lean back on their tail to deliver powerful kicks. So you see, a kangaroo's tail is not just for show, it's an essential part of their mobility. Coming in at number 9, kangaroos have a unique social structure. Unlike many other animals, kangaroos don't just live in groups, they have a whole society. These groups, known as mobs, usually consist of 2 to 10 individuals, but can sometimes number in the hundreds. But here's the fascinating part. These mobs aren't just random gatherings, they have a clear hierarchy. The dominant male, often the largest and strongest, leads the mob. He's the one who gets to mate with the females and makes decisions for the group. This hierarchy isn't static though. Younger males often challenge the dominant male for leadership in physical contests. These can be quite intense, involving boxing and high-kick fights. But it's not all conflict. Kangaroos are also known for their social grooming and play, hinting at strong bonds within the mob. So, while they may be famous for their hops, let's also appreciate kangaroos for their social sophistication. Kangaroos, they are not just social, but they have an organized society too. At number 8, let's talk about the life in a pouch. When we think of kangaroos, the first thing that comes to mind, apart from their impressive jumping skills, is the pouch. But did you know it's not just a pocket, but a whole nursery for the baby kangaroo, or joey? When a joey is born, it's only about an inch long. That's roughly the size of a grape. Despite its minuscule size, the newborn makes a daring journey from the birth canal to the pouch, where it will continue to grow and develop. Inside this cozy pouch, the joey finds warmth, protection, and a constant supply of milk that changes in composition as the joey grows, ensuring it gets precisely what it needs at each stage of its development. This remarkable pouch is a cornerstone of kangaroo life, proof of the fascinating ways in which nature works. A kangaroo's pouch, it's not just a pocket but a whole nursery. Number 7 on our list, kangaroos are known for their boxing skills. Yes, you heard that right, boxing. These marsupials don't just hop around in the outback, they also have a knack for duking it out. In the animal kingdom, a kangaroo's boxing match is quite the spectacle. Typically, it's the male kangaroos, known as boomers, who engage in this behavior, especially during the mating season. These bouts are more about establishing dominance and winning over a mate rather than causing harm. A kangaroo will use its forelimbs to jab at its opponent, very much like a human boxer. But here's where it gets interesting. They also incorporate their powerful hind legs into the fight, leaning back on their sturdy tail for support while delivering a powerful kick. So, when you think of kangaroos, don't just imagine them bouncing around. Picture a boomer, balanced on his tail, boxing like a pro. So kangaroos are not just hoppers, they are boxers too. At number 6, did you know kangaroos can reach speeds up to 70 kilometers per hour? Now that's an impressive feat. Just imagine, a kangaroo could easily outpace a running human and even give some cars a run for their money. But how do these remarkable creatures achieve such velocity? The secret lies in their unique locomotion. Kangaroos, unlike most mammals, use a hopping motion to get around. This hopping, known as saltation, is incredibly efficient. The longer the kangaroo hops, the faster it goes, without expending much extra energy. It's almost like they're bouncing on nature's trampoline. Their muscular hind legs act like springs, storing energy as they land and releasing it in the next leap. This energy-efficient mode of travel allows kangaroos to cover vast distances at high speeds, making them true outback speedsters. So the next time you picture a kangaroo, don't just see a cute critter with a pouch. Imagine a lean, mean hopping machine capable of incredible speed. Kangaroos, they are the speedsters of the animal kingdom. Number 5 on our list, kangaroos outnumber humans in Australia. That's right, folks. The land down under is home to a staggering 50 million kangaroos. That's about 2 kangaroos for every human in Australia. Imagine that. Kangaroos have adapted to the diverse environments that Australia offers. From the arid outback to the lush grasslands, even to the fringes of our urban areas. These adaptable creatures have thrived across the continent, making them an essential part of Australia's natural landscape. Their impressive numbers are not just a testament to their adaptability but also their resilience. Despite facing challenges such as habitat loss and climate change, kangaroos continue to thrive, bouncing back stronger than ever. So, why does Australia have so many kangaroos? Well, their ability to breed rapidly and a lack of natural predators certainly play a part, but it's also a testament to their sheer will to survive in Australia's challenging environments. Kangaroos, they are truly a symbol of Australia. Coming in at number 4, kangaroos have a unique diet. Now we all know kangaroos are herbivores, but did you know they have a preference for specific types of plants? Yes, that's right. Kangaroos show a particular fondness for grasses and can even be a little picky, choosing only certain species to chow down on. But the truly remarkable part of their diet is how they manage to survive in harsh environments with sparse vegetation. Kangaroos are masters at conserving water and making the most out of their food. They have a specialized digestive system, akin to that of cows, that allows them to extract maximum nutrition from even the toughest of grasses. And when the going gets tough, kangaroos can survive for long periods without water, relying on the moisture they get from the plants they eat. So even in the arid landscapes of the Australian outback, these animals thrive. Kangaroos, they are the ultimate survivors. Number 3 on our list, kangaroo reproduction is truly fascinating. Now, kangaroos have a unique reproductive process that sets them apart from many other mammals. The term embryonic diapause may sound like a sci-fi concept, but it's actually a natural phenomenon that kangaroos exhibit. In simple terms, embryonic diapause allows a female kangaroo to pause the development of her embryo in adverse conditions, such as drought or scarcity of food. This pause can last until the environment is more conducive for the joey to thrive. Once conditions improve, the development resumes, and soon enough, a new kangaroo is born. But that's not all. While one embryo is paused, the kangaroo can conceive another joey. This means a kangaroo can be perpetually pregnant, ensuring the continuity of the species. It's like the kangaroo's very own superpower, don't you think? Kangaroo reproduction. It's a marvel of nature. At number 2, kangaroos' unique locomotion is truly mind-blowing. While you might think of hopping as a playful or even inefficient way of getting around, for kangaroos, it's a serious business. In fact, it's a highly energy-efficient method of travel that allows them to cover vast distances in the arid landscapes of Australia. This fascinating mode of transport is all thanks to their powerful hind legs and large feet. When a kangaroo hops, it stores potential energy in its tendons, much like a spring. Then, as it propels forward, it releases this energy. This mechanism makes hopping less tiring for the kangaroo than walking or running is for most other animals. And here's another neat fact for you. The faster kangaroos hop, the less energy they use. Yes, you heard it right. So next time you see a kangaroo hopping around, remember, they're not just having a good time. They're showcasing a marvel of nature's engineering. Kangaroos' locomotion, it's not just unique, but incredibly efficient too. And finally, at number 1, kangaroos' incredible jumping ability will leave you astounded. Our dear marsupial friend the kangaroo is the embodiment of athletic prowess in the animal kingdom. They're not just good jumpers, they're exceptional. The secret to their remarkable jumping ability lies in their powerful hind legs and tail. These legs are not just for show, they're built for performance. They act like coiled springs, storing and releasing energy with each leap, allowing kangaroos to cover great distances with ease. And it's not just distance they can cover. These creatures can also reach impressive heights. It's not uncommon for a kangaroo to leap over obstacles up to 6 feet tall. That's about the height of your average human. Imagine watching a kangaroo race, they'd be leaving their competition in the dust, or more appropriately, in their bouncing wake. Truly, kangaroos are the long jump champions of the animal kingdom. And there you have it, the top 10 mind-blowing facts about kangaroos. We've hopped through the Kangaroo Confidential, unveiling the power of their tails, their unique social structures, the fascinating life in a pouch, and their surprising boxing techniques. We've dashed through their impressive speeds and vast populations, nibbled on their diet, and marveled at their extraordinary reproduction process. We've also admired their unique locomotion and their incredible jumping abilities. Indeed, kangaroos are an amazing species, full of surprises and wonders. Each fact we've unveiled today adds a new layer to our understanding and appreciation of these fascinating marsupials. They're not just Australia's iconic animals, they're truly a marvel of nature. If there's another animal you're curious about and would like us to cover, do let us know in the comments below. Until then, keep hopping along with us in the journey of knowledge.